Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to link tasks in ClickUp. So first of all, just open your ClickUp account and go to the task where you want to link something. I'm going with this one. Just click on it and here you will find this plus icon on the right side. Under this you can see more is written. So just click on it, on more, and as you can see you can link task, you can link a document or something custom. Now if you want to link a Google Drive file or Google Doc file, a YouTube video, a Canva template, just paste the link over here and click on add link. As you can see, the Drive link is added. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.